Yeah, that shit's snapping.
Yeah.
See something now? Ah, the fucking chain come loose.
Yeah.
Copy that. Oh, shit, what's that? The whole water line gone in a training.
No. The roots.
Ah, man, that can't pull down that, man.
Holy shit, up there, see?
Okay. Part of the roof still connected, you know?
Yeah. One of them guys go in there and cut the roof one day. Heavy, yeah, the concrete.
Yeah. See the buck tail them gone.
Can't go up enough, get down and pull.
No.
That's it, drag it, yeah.
Higher and go, and the more heavier this get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I give him the thing, the whole battery.
Right, you see, back all the way off the ground.
But no, yeah, we're gonna go back there. Look like please, yeah, we're gonna go back.
And plus, like roof like this, I hold it, you don't know how much more go down in the water.
But I think ripping it out was hard, see? The bigger part, you know? See? Yeah?
Yeah, good piece of wood here to make a table, right? A good piece over there.
Yeah. Rubber?
It's space here for running. Okay, no more.
Yeah, yeah. Alright.